Okay, so guys, I'm now here in Walmart, and just from the last recording alone, I'm learning not to talk with the mask on because the recording's not picking it up. So here I am. I just located the and heaven's light shine down upon us. The nail. I almost forgot, guys. I was gonna walk out. You know, you'll find typically the Sinful Color somewhere down at the end of the aisle. Somewhere down at the end of the aisle. And you know what's catching my eye right away? I turned away to the camera and lost it. Matte finish. Matte finish. Matte finish, guys. Let me see if there's any more. I mean, I got matte finish, guys. I'm trying to find if there's any more. I think I got it. I'm digging. Matte finish, guys. I think that pretty much comes close to all of the ones that I have, with the exception of, is that it? Is that it? No. The matte finish top coat. So guess what, guys? Somebody is, oh, here they are. Right there. Red. Matte finish. I think that's all the colors, maybe. But somebody's going to get this in a giveaway. I mean, I know it's Walmart and people may think like, oh, we can go get that ourselves, but not true, because you're not going to always find them. Each store I've been to, or each store that I visit, doesn't always have the same things. So there you have it, guys. Shopping at Walmart. I'm still trying to dig and find a matte finish top coat for you. And guess what? Guess what? Guess what? What is this? What is this? What is this? Matte finish top coat. And it's going in a cart with all of my veggies, my veggie meals. You know what was really cool about being in the store today? A couple of the, I was gonna say a lot of the employee, but some of the employee were in the aisle with me. One of them was like kind of stocking or whatever, and I was like, you're probably wondering, what am I doing? And she said, no, you're good. So I thought that was really nice. So thank you, Walmart employees. Okay, so me and my brother decided to have lunch today, and we are arriving at one of our favorite spots. Hi. Are we able to, yeah, we are able to dine in, huh? Oh, great. Oh, I'm so excited now. We're going to have a supper. How are you today? Good, how are you? Okay, good. So for starters, hi. These are the veggies that they bring for you to put into your pho. Pho is a noodle soup. It's served to you piping hot. We ordered 2 sliced beef phos, and you'll see that when it comes out. And then you start adding these vegetables. So this is what it looks like, guys. Yum! And then you just take the vegetables. These mint leaves, I usually don't put that in mine. I usually put bean sprouts, and I squeeze some lime. I asked him for some extra cilantro, so that's what you're seeing there. So doesn't it look good? Oh, and I know it's a warm summer day, but still, we're in here, there's some air in here, and this is just something I love to eat. I'm gonna go because I'm spilling it all over the table, trying to keep my eye in the camera as well. So we'll be eating. So this is the first of the giveaways that I'll be doing, which will be totally random. In my most recent Bougie Nails on a Budget video posted Tuesday, which should have been the 18th, I used Sinful Colors Matte Finish Collection to create a darling polka dotted accent nail.
This giveaway features the matte polish I used. You saw me shopping for the polishes? So funny how I totally missed the black matte polish, right? It was so hard to video and search at the same time. But you know what I did, right? You know I went back and got the black matte polish too. Now, as I was saying in the vlog, there may be some people who feel like they can get this themselves because there's Walmarts everywhere, and that's okay. But I've actually gotten comments from viewers who say their local stores don't have the items I've shown in videos. Or even myself, I never find a complete collection in one place. In fact, in most stores, these matte polishes are picked through, which tells me they have become pretty popular. So I saved you the trouble and got the collection for you. For me though, being a nail channel, I'm enjoying everything to do with nails, which includes regular polish along with acrylic, gels, dips. In fact, there are some NailTube family members here who are impartial to regular polish. So this is all inclusive. BOUJEE Nails on a Budget series is an expression of nail creations with affordable products or what you might already have. For me, it also pays homage to when I was in nail school, when I was learning and practicing, when I could only get what I could afford, when I was first starting out because the salon I worked for only used OPI and Orly. Or how about when current products weren't even out then? But actually, I still love using polish too. Now for the guidelines. Random giveaways will be on-the-spot announcements like random gifting. You must be subscribed to my channel and there's no need to enter. A winner will be chosen from those who left comments on the feature video of the random giveaway because I truly appreciate you. If you're selected, you can DM or email me at pickyoucolor on IG or pickyoucolor@gmail.com with the heading Random Giveaway. If a winner does not come forward within 10 days, an announcement will be made and the gift will be held for a random giveaway that features another BOUJEE Nails on a Budget video. I thank each and every one of you, and there will be more like this to continue expressing my appreciation for your support on my channel. So here we go, guys. My first ever random giveaway. Oh, I'm so excited. It's Karina's Nail Designs. Congratulations, Karina. I remember what you said about not being able to get these polishes anymore. So how fitting.